Good morning, students. Today, in sixth part of our maths lecture, we will continue our lesson number 1, geometrical constructions. In this lecture, we will learn how to construct a right angle triangle when the hypotenuse and one side is given. Let's begin. Our question is construct triangle MAN such that measure angle MAN is equals to 90 degree, length AN is equals to 8 centimeter and length MN is equals to 10 centimeter. Now as always for previous lectures we were for constructing triangles before constructing we were constructing rough figure, but for this construction you have to be very careful. Why? Because in this example one of the angle is given 90 degree, so whenever 90 degree angle is given, so our rough triangle also should be right angled triangle. So we will draw one roughly right angle triangle. After drawing one right angle triangle of any measurement, we will see which angle is given 90 degree. Here they had given measure angle MAN is equals to 90 degree. So the letter which is in between that angle is 90 degree. So this is the angle which is given 90 degree. So here we will write name A. Now whatever two names are left, that two names we will write here. M and you write like that, or you write M here and N here will do. I am writing here M and writing here N. So my naming is done. Now further we will see what measurements are given. Length AN is given 8 centimeter. This is our AN. So we will write here 8 centimeter. Then it is given MN is equals to 10 centimeter. This is our MN. So here we will write 10 centimeter. So we will start our construction. AN is given 8 centimeter. So with the help of scale and pencil, we will draw one segment of 8 centimeter. Name is given AN. So here we will write A, here N, and we will give measurement here 8 centimeter. Then we will draw angle A, which is 90 degree. We will keep our protractor on point A and we will draw 90 degree angle. Then this point we will join with vertex A. We'll give arrow over here. Now as this angle is 90 degree, so we will show symbol of 90 degree. Then now our AN is done, which is given 8 centimeter. Then we have finished angle A. Now third part is left, that is MN 10 centimeter. So we will take our rounder and we will open rounder 10 centimeter like this. Now our MN is 10 centimeter. I don't have M but I have N over here. So you have to be very careful. We will keep it on point N, and the ray which we have drawn, this ray we have got just now, this rounder's arc we will put on the ray which we have got just now like this. Now where this arc has intersected the ray, this point is nothing but our point M. So here we will give name M. Now this point where the arc has intersected this ray, this point we will join with point N. Now MN is given 10 centimeter. So here we will write 10 centimeter. Second question is draw a right angle triangle STU such that hypotenuse SU is equals to 5 centimeter and length ST is equals to 4 centimeter. Now as here clearly now it is not mentioned which angle is right angle. So not to worry, first we will draw our rough figure. As it is said it is a right angle triangle. So obviously we will draw one triangle which is right angle triangle. This is our right angle. Now here in this example, name of right angle is not given, but name of hypotenuse is given. Name of hypotenuse is given SU. It is given hypotenuse SU is equals to 5 centimeter. Now we have learnt in our earlier class that the side which is opposite to 90. Now this angle is 90. The side which is opposite to 90. This side, this side is opposite to 90 degrees. So this side is nothing but our hypotenuse. So hypotenuse name is given SU. So here we will write S and here we will write U. So we got two names where to write. SU is done. Now our third letter T is left. So here we will write T. Means in this sum our angle T is 90 degree. Now we will write measurements. SU is given 5 centimeter. So here we will write 5 centimeter. Then ST is given 4 centimeter. So this is our ST. So here we will write 4 centimeter. Now after looking at our rough figure, you might get confused that what to draw. Our base is not given. Not to worry, but we have our ST with us. So we will draw this ST first. ST is given 4 centimeter. So we will draw ST 4 centimeter. So we'll write name here as T. It is given 4 centimeter. After that we will see our angle T is 90 degree. Now in this I have my vertex T this side. So here I will keep my protractor on point T and I will plot where I am getting 90 degree angle. This point I will join with T. So as T is 90 degree, so here also I will give symbol of 90 degree. Now my ST segment is done. I have finished with angle T. Now what is left to draw SU? SU is given 5 centimeter. So we will take rounder and we will open 5 centimeter with the help of scale. Now my SU is 5 centimeter. I have S, I don't have U. So it's understood we will keep it on point S and where we will put R on the ray which we have got just now. So on this ray we will put one arc. After putting that arc, we will see this arc has intersected this ray at which point? At this point. So this point is nothing but our third letter, that is U. Our third point U. Then we will join S with U. SU is 5 centimeter. So here we will write 5 centimeter. Students, this is your assignment which you all have to do, and your work should be signed by your parents. Along with this assignment, you have to construct the triangles which are shown in this video. Thank you. God bless you all.